Hello all, welcome to this bonus session of HTML course. In this session, we will see how we can add colors to our website. Using style attribute, you can add colors and make your website fancy. In this below example, style is an attribute of element body that gives more information to browser about how to present or decorate or display the text within the body of HTML. In this example, background-color equals light green sets the background color of the body tag to light green color. Also, the heading 1 tag gets a background color of green and the paragraph tag gets a background color of yellow with font color of black. Notice that in style attribute, we can give multiple style elements like color, background, color, etc. separated by a semicolon operator. Let's run this example and see the output. As you can see, this makes our boring website into a more colorful website. Thank you for attending my HTML course. I really hope that after attending this course, your curiosity about HTML has increased and you will try to explore more and more about this language. Thank you again.